Hello, my name is Sabine. I'm the Community Engagement Officer and I'm here with Amanda. Welcome, Amanda.
Hi, Sabine.
She's a Health Promotion Officer. And welcome and thank you for tuning in to our November edition of the monthly newsletter, in which we provide a brief update of some of the health awareness events during this month. Can't believe there's another month gone, Amanda.
It's definitely, the year is just flying.
I know. Now, Victorians have done a fantastic job in getting the coronavirus infection numbers down to zero, but as restrictions ease within the communities, it doesn't automatically mean that restrictions are easing within the healthcare service. Is that right, Amanda?
Definitely. As we in the community get more freedom in our movements, this does mean a higher risk of transmission, and so it will be a while longer before regulations within the healthcare service will ease. Social support group sessions are still on hold, but our essential exercise classes are still running one-on-one, although we are looking at opening them up into small groups in a COVID-safe manner in the near future. Our allied health services like physio, speech, x-ray, private podiatry and Well Women's Clinic continue to with the same strict government screening and social distancing rules in place. Theatre, respite, dental services are all still continuing though.
Yeah, so we still do the screening at the front desk?
Yes, so that is correct. As restrictions ease, wearing a mask is more important than ever with that extra layer of infection control. So you'll be temperature checked, there's increased screening, health questions, sanitizer is encouraged to be applied, and the important message is still, even if you have mild symptoms, please get tested and stay home while waiting for that test result. Testing can be done at our healthcare service by calling 555 86 000 and the Timboon Clinic by calling 555 86 088. Now there's a new service called to Test Service that the Department of Health and Human Services has put in place, which gives vulnerable people within the community that aren't able to visit for testing the option of getting tested at home. To find out if you're eligible for this service, please call the coronavirus hotline on 1800 675 398 and select option 9.
Yeah, it's a great idea for people that can't actually go to a testing site, isn't it? Now, from the humble beginnings, the Movember movement has grown into a truly global one. Can you tell us a bit more about this very important movement, Amanda?
Sure. Since 2003, Movember has raised awareness in changing the face of men's health by funding groundbreaking projects all over the world, engaging men where they are to understand what works best and accelerate change regarding mental health, suicide, prostate cancer and testicular cancer. So Movember is a chance to grow a mo with your face, raising funds and awareness for men's health. For more information, you can go to their website.
Yeah, it's such an important message, isn't it, Amanda? I mean, we are very quick to help others, but we can't pour from an empty cup, as they say, so it's always good to look after your own mental health and well-being, and that includes men. Now, you can start by calling Timboon District Healthcare Service on 555 86 000 for a chat with our social worker, Hayley, or you can contact the Timboon Clinic for a complete health check, and that's 555 86 088. The summer is on our doorstep, Amanda, and skin awareness is very important during this time, and this November, like every year, National Skin Cancer Action Week reminds us of those risks, doesn't it?
It definitely does. So Australia has one of the highest rates of skin cancer in the world, including melanoma and non-malignant melanoma. Every year in Australia, skin cancers account for 80% of all newly diagnosed cancers. At least 2 in 3 Australians will be diagnosed with skin cancer by the age of 70, and over 2,000 actually die every year. However, more than 95% of skin cancer cases are caused by unprotected exposure to UV radiation from the sun, meaning it's nearly entirely preventable cancer. For an initial skin check, you can contact the Timboon Clinic on 555 86 088 to make an appointment, who can then refer you to a specialist if further investigation is required.
And we've all heard about White Ribbon Day, Amanda, a very good cause. This year it falls on the 20th of November. For those that haven't heard of it, can you explain a little bit about what this day is about?
So White Ribbon Day is an opportunity to bring people together in person or online to raise awareness and commit to action to prevent men's violence against women. In workplaces, schools and communities all over Australia, we're asking you to stand up, speak out and act to end gendered violence. If you or someone else is worried about the impact you are having on those around you, there's help available. You can contact the numbers on the screen or our social worker at TDHS on 555 86 000 or the Timboon Clinic on 555 86 088.
Great. Thanks, Amanda, for highlighting some of the calendar events for this month. And you can find a more detailed what's on calendar in our quarterlies, which is available in town, Port Campbell and Timboon, and also on our website. Now, before you go, we'd love for you to join us at our first virtual annual general meeting, which will be held on the 10th of December at 7:30. We'll take you on a virtual ride through the financial year of 2019-2020, and we also have 2 amazing guest speakers. And you don't even have to leave your house. So save the date and stay tuned for more information with regards to this. Thank you for joining us, and please check our social media posts for lots of inspiring and positive community stories. We have a wonderful, resilient community, and we have done an amazing job so far together, and we will get through this together. We just have to stay apart, stay safe and stay kind. Thank you. Thanks, Amanda.
Thanks, Sabine.